So time to set up a new project. So file, new project, and we'll call it explode, because that's what we're doing. Let's save a new file. Make sure you're doing it in the job area, of course, because that's the project we just made. We'll call that explode as well, but this will say version 0. We've set up that job variable now, as we're used to. Let's also set up the data variable under aliases and variables. The data thing we use in our various file cache paths, and I like to store my caches on a data drive, a separate drive than my actual operating system one. In any case, here we go, apply to need temp. I'll just make a new directory here and I'll call it explode temp. And we'll copy that path. And we're just going to say that that new data variable is that place. Because we're in Windows, or at least I am rather, switch these backslashes to forward slashes because that's what is expected. So again, we'll just use that variable in our various things in the future. Now we'll need a camera. I'm going to swing out a camera here. I want to see like maybe 25 meters worth of space here, more or less. Press Control, click on the camera to put the camera there. I'm going to round these out. We'll really just put these numbers in that I'm putting here. The idea being that we're not going to talk about like the magic numbers you're supposed to be using for a sim necessarily, but the scale of the sim matters quite a bit. 25 meters out means if I want to fill this space with an explosion, you know, it might be 10 to 15 meters wide. And as we know by now, the scale matters a great deal in terms of how fast it moves and everything else. So there we go, we got a camera. Finally, let's set up our actual Houdini interface here. I'm gonna go to Geometry Spreadsheet and our main panel here, split top and bottom. And then we can go back to Scene View. Now I have a Geometry Spreadsheet in the bottom. I like this so I can just keep the viewport here and I can see whatever data I need to down here. We'll also split these. I'll split that one left and right, split that one left and right. I'll probably drag this out now. And we'll associate these with each other. We'll make these both 2s. Associate these as 1s. And we'll even say that this is a 1 also. That way when I click on things over here, they don't show up. Only stuff that I do here. That will become important later.